Hi, hello, namaste. I am Shardul, and today I am going to explain you what is AWS SageMaker. So, what is AWS SageMaker? AWS SageMaker is a fully managed machine learning service by AWS that helps developers and data scientists quickly build, train, deploy machine learning models without needing to manage infrastructure. So before we begin with a SageMaker, I would like to clear some prior concept, that is what is machine learning. So machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence where computers learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. It is used for tasks like prediction, classification, or pattern recognition. When we talk about traditional machine learning, there are few big challenges that developers and data scientists often face. So the first one is the complex setup. Setting up and managing machine learning infrastructure is not simple. It usually needs powerful servers, GPUs, and specialized tools which can be hard to install and maintain. Second is data handling. Collecting, cleaning, or preparing large amount of data takes lot of time and effort. In fact, data preparation often takes more time than actual model training. So that is also main issue, that it consumes lot of time. Then again, next is training cost. That training model requires heavy computing power, which means high cost for hardware and cloud resources. Then comes the deployment issues. Even if you build a great model, uh, putting it into real world use so that application can actually use it is not straightforward. And finally, scalability. As the amount of data grows, scaling up your machine learning model becomes very difficult. So these are some of the problems that encounter while machine learning. Now let's see how SageMaker overcomes these problems in machine learning. First is SageMaker is managed service. So that means we don't have to worry about setting up server or managing infrastructure. AWS takes care of it for us. Then second, it provides built-in tools like data preparation, Jupyter notebooks, and pre-built algorithm, which makes the workflow much faster. Third, SageMaker offers optimized training using powerful GPUs and TPUs along with cost-saving options, so we don't spend extra there. And also, it allows one-click deployment. Once our model is trained, we can easily turn it into API and start using it in our real-world application. Finally, SageMaker also supports auto scaling. This means as the workload increases, SageMaker automatically scales the resources and handle it. Now, further, I would like to explain you SageMaker with a real life example. For example, let's consider predicting house prices. Imagine you are a real estate company and you want to predict the price of a house based on things like number of rooms, size of the house, or the location where it is located in the city, suburb, or rural. So normally, what we need to do is collect lot of past housing data, uh, then clean and prepare the data, and write machine learning code, or then train the model on powerful computers, then deploy model so your app or website can use it. But this is really complicated and time consuming process. So to overcome this, let me show you how SageMaker make this process much easier and faster. First thing is you do upload the data. You upload your hosting dataset like Excel, CSV file into Amazon S3, the cloud storage. uh, as you can see on the screen, there is example data where there are room and in which like what area it is located, the price, how much area it covers, the house covers. And then you have to choose a model. In SageMaker you don't need to build everything from scratch. You can pick a ready-made algorithm like XGBoost for predictions, then train the model. SageMaker uses cloud services like GPUs and TPUs to train your model on the dataset. You don't need to set up the servers. Training is also much faster because AWS provides powerful machine. Then comes the deployment. You deploy the model. Once trained, SageMaker lets you deploy the model with one click. It creates a secure API endpoint. This endpoint can be used by your mobile app or website. Then you can make the prediction. Now if someone enters 3 room from the sample data as I shown you before, the model will predict that 3 rooms is of 1500 square foot and it is located in suburb. The model predicts the price that it cost around $180,000, like that. uh, it provides built-in tools. So it provides built-in tools for data preparation, model training, hyperparameter tuning, one-click deployment, scalable APIs, making the entire machine learning workflow faster and easier. SageMaker also supports popular frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Skitlearn, while also offering pre-built algorithms and AutoML features for beginner. It helps you concentrate more on your machine learning model rather than the technical or the infrastructure. So here are some real world uses of SageMaker. First is Netflix. It recommends movies, shows, and also banks and healthcare. In healthcare also, SageMaker is very much important. Like in bank, it detects frauds in transaction. In healthcare, it predicts diseases from medical data. Also, there is e-commerce like Amazon. It suggests products based on your shopping history. In short, machine learning shortcut where you just bring your data and it takes care of training, servers, and deployment. Also, now we will see some of the features of AWS SageMaker. So first is SageMaker Studio. It is a single web-based interface where you can do everything like data prep or training and deployment or monitoring. Also, built-in algorithms and auto machine learning, that is autopilot. It lets you quickly build models using ready algorithms or automatically create one without deep machine learning knowledge. Jupyter notebooks pre-configure notebooks for exploring data and testing models without setup. Also, one-click training and deployment trains model on cloud and cloud servers and deploys them as APIs with minimal effort. And also there are lots of advantages of this. First is main important, it saves time. SageMaker speeds up the entire machine learning workflow from data preparation to deployment, so it saves time. Also it is cost effective, so that you only pay for the compute and storage you actually use, so it is a very important feature also. And scalable, it can easily scale resources to handle both small experiment and large enterprise projects. Also it is beginner friendly, and also it is flexible and secure. Then let's take a quick recap at what we seen in the basics of SageMaker. First is what SageMaker actually does. Then how does it helps machine learning. Then the real examples, that is of the real estate company. Then also the Netflix and other e-commerce and healthcare examples. Then we saw features of AWS SageMaker and also the advantages of AWS SageMaker. Yeah, that's it for now, and I hope you would have understood the things I have told in this video, and I hope it will help you build your projects in SageMaker. And thank you. Yes, Shardul Koriga signing off.